go, buddy. Yeah. We're at River Valley Tube Slide, St. Mary's, Ontario. It's been a good morning so far. Alright, buddy, what do you think of tubing? Is that a thumbs up? Perfect. One last run? Yeah? On the new hill over here? Alright. Okay, let's go. Here, carry this. Don't hit things with it. Murphy. Where's a Murphy?
Murphy wants to help out.
We're gonna try tapping a few of these trees. I've got the lines. Some of these need replacing. The drop lines. Some of them got a little bit of mold in them, and they're kind of gross. So we'll replace them as needed. However, we're just gonna tap. We might tap them all. I don't know. I don't need maple sap because we have a lot of maple syrup from last year and even the year before still. And I don't have as much time this year to boil it, but it's still fun to do anyway. So we're gonna do it and see. Maybe if we have too much sap, we can give it away. There's lots of other people that'll take it and they'll boil it down. Some places will even buy it from you, but I'm not gonna get that carried away. So we're gonna see what happens here. This one's one of the first one that looks good, so I'm gonna tap it. The trees should be running. A real nice day. They got sun on them. The trees are actually quite warm. So gonna put some taps on the south side. I got usually about two for tree on these old ones here. And I bet you they're gonna run. What do you think? What do you guys think? They're gonna run real good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm going to have to get in your truck and come pick them up.
Okay. Well, let's get that super sharp drill bit and that drill rolling, and let's see what happens.
Hey.
Here's a tip to keep your drill bit. These things are super sharp, super expensive. That's just a piece of the pipeline that I'm using. It keeps the end protected quite well. Okay, we got to hold it real still because you want your hole to be perfect and round, not oval shape, right? Look at that. Oh boy.
Oh my gosh. Well, we better go get a bucket.
I'll hold this. A bucket? We don't need a bucket.
It's starting to drip crazy. It's dripping crazy. Dad,
This is I'll link the video from last year of when I did this pipeline. It's a 3/16 gravity feed. What it does is it kind of creates a vacuum using gravity as the sap flows down. That's why my bucket's way down there. It's about a 400-foot run. I think I've got 20 taps on this line. So you want the hammer? Don't hit anything. So I'm gonna get quite a bit if it's running like this. Anyway, we're gonna keep going and we'll see what happens. Okay, the sap is actually going backwards up these lines. So, oh, there's Papa. Say hi, wave to him. So I've got to get up to the end and cap that one off. Actually, I got a couple open here too. Boys, you're supposed to be on this. All right, we're gonna get this looked after. Well, we've made it to the end of the line, and this isn't an ideal situation here. Looks like a rodent has been chewing away at the drop line. So I have to replace that to get this vacuum thing working because it's not gonna go if there's no vacuum. So as you can see, the line comes around and gets tapped off to here. I'm sure I'm gonna find more things like that, as long as I haven't chewed on this main line too badly. And I've got some marks here. I hope there's no hole in it. Reason being is that I don't think I have any more of this 3/16 tubing, only the larger stuff. So definitely don't want any holes in here. I'm gonna have to maybe shorten it by a tree this year. We'll find out. All right, Ron, let's cut some new pipe here. Ready? Now I gotta cut that old one out. Reagan, come here, bud. Maybe I can stick that in here. Okay. Let's do it. A little cut in here, buddy. There, now I gotta cut the spile out. It's been getting chewed on too.
Some people are chewing on this.
Get done with that. Now, let's get the spile back in. That's as far as it wants to go. Okay.
Your camera's almost out of battery.
Is it almost out of battery? I got more batteries, buddy, and I got this fixed.
Is that 80%, I think?
What?
That's how low it is.
18%. All right, well, I guess I'll have to change the batteries here. All right, this one's fixed. Let's drill it out, okay?
Yeah.
Where's the drill? It's definitely working. It's a little too many bubbles, but I'm not done yet. There's a lot of air, but that sap's moving pretty quick. And I've only got a couple tapped. So we've got our vacuum.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, that's, you can see that. So that's 20 taps, 10 trees, 2 taps a tree, and it's just a constant flow. I've already got quite a bit in there. Oh, you might not be able to see. I might actually dump this out just because it's, there's some stuff, like there's stuff in the pipeline. I don't know if it was condensation or if it was like old sap from last year. I'm just gonna let it flush out for a bit and then I'll dump it and start over. And then plus it looks like some, I don't know what's in there. Anyway, we're good.